had no doubt about it. Oh my God.
I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter.
Around the poles. Come along today. A couple of things I want to say. Massive thank you to those that like and subscribe. You're absolute legends. Second thing is, I'm not a self-promoter. I love doing this for the events, giving back to the organisers and things like that. That's a me thing, that's where I'm at. I'm not monetised, I don't get anything for this. I will later on down the track, but that'll be a different conversation. So right now, to keep the algorithm happy and YouTube happy, I've got to do episodes in between the events. So on this episode, I'm fitting a set of World Pro Stars to a BA Falcon Ute. A little bit interesting. A couple of things that will, catch you out, and I hope that I can teach you something. So watch this, Pro Star World wheels, BA Ute. Let's go racing. All right, guys. Peace out. Enjoy. See you later. Down. So there's no real issue. So this is the rears. Wait a sec, we'll throw it on quickly. They're on. That's tough, but they just touched the caliper. These brakes on this car have been disconnected from the booster anyway, just pulled out and bunged up, so the rear brakes aren't working on this. I don't really need them right now, so I might just take that caliper off quickly, bolt these wheels up, and then get a bit of a look. All right, I'll do that. Rip that caliper off, get this wheel back on there. Okay, just rip that caliper off. Here it is. I just done it by the actual caliper mount bolts. Just undone the line. So what did I use? I used a 15 for them. It was a little bit loose, so that could be a different size, and a 12mm for this one. So I'm just going to keep these, put them aside. I need brakes on this, so I'm not going to get rid of them. I'm sort of glad I kept them now. I'll just tie that up for now, put something around it, just zip tie it out of the way. Get these wheels on, and I might take the car around to a servo and pump the tyres up properly at where I think they should be, just for rolling around. Getting it done, man, I can't wait. So chop them off, calipers are off, let's get these wheels on. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, it's done. So, not used to this. Usually I'm used to big rims, little tyres. Now I've got big tyres, little rims. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's sick. $17 a tie down. Beautiful. I'll grab 3 of them. So, started off the week as a week that I just wanted to bury my head and hide. Nothing worked at all. I just persevered, found some wheel nuts, got them wheels on it. Just got rained out a little bit, so I'm down here at my local Bunnings, going to get some fresh tie downs, some ratchet straps, a lock for the trailer and things like that. Take it down, get the tyres, some pressure in them front tyres. Rear tyres have got pressure in them, it's fine. I wouldn't mind even doing a bit of a photo shoot, and that will finish up this episode. But right now, tie downs, let's get it done. Local Bunnings. Love Bunnings. Nothing I can do for the rest of the day while the weather's like this. but I'm not going to complain considering what Ian's doing to Florida right now. Pretty crazy hurricane over there apparently, so yeah, hope you guys are doing all right over there, but I'm going to call it a day. I'll get back to you in the morning. All right. I lost a heap of footage due to not having the mic on the phone. I'm using the phone for the whole episode this time. Thumbnail, photos, vlogging, everything. iPhone 12 Plus Pro. So I'm going to use that today. But anyway, Friday afternoon, got a fair bit done. Wheels on, done a Bunnings trip, got some tie downs, some ratchets and stuff like that for the car. Saturday was a total rain out. Set the simulator up, done a whole heap of jobs inside. Just things like that, just mucked around, took advantage of inside jobs while I could. So now it's Sunday. I just tied the car down, put the plate over the coil cover back over the barra, buttoned all that up, and I'm ready to go get some tire pressures. So anyway, let's go do this. Fuel and some tire pressure into tires, some free pressure, tires, tire pressure into tires. Let's go do this, tires in the pressure. Put some pressure in them tires. Oh my God. Don't know what to run in the front, so just whatever. I just put 40 in the back, in the trailer, sorry. I just put 40 in the trailer. I'm just gonna, oh, what the fuck's that? I am just gonna, just whatever the posture looks good in the steer, because it's just to get on and off the trailer and in and out of the garage. Wow, this won't even go down, here we go. So just until the posture looks good, I might just put, I don't know, 32 in the fronts. I'll check the pressure in the back, but I only need, I don't know, probably 20 or 25 in the back right now. So let's do that, if the fucking pressure gauge works. Oh, there we are. Guess it's going to get 34 then in the front, because it ain't going to move for me. It's got 14 in it at the moment. 34 seems a bit excessive. It's probably written on the tyre somewhere, but max load 970 pounds at 32 psi. I'm not sure, don't know what I'm doing, no idea. I need to ask someone and do some study. I just have to do this quickly because the rain's coming, but let me show you why I can't run these wheels the way they are, even though it looks sick. Hub spacers, I need hub spacers on there to locate the wheels on the hub properly, plus I need new wheel studs. So I need new wheel studs because I'm running spacers to clear the caliper. Oh my God, I feel so much pressure, this rain's coming. So I need spacers to clear the calipers, front and rear, to run these wheels and keep my brakes, because we need brakes. That's why I won't run it like that. The rears are the same, but check how sick they look. That looks fat. Weld Pro Stars. That looks really, really cool. That looks cool. But for me to have the calipers back on, because they fouled, I need to run me 10mm spacers again, but I need 3-inch wheel studs to get all the meat I can on those 1 3/8 nuts. So that's the car. This is the episode. I'm going to call it a day. This weather has been the biggest pain, but I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.